In this video, let's see how you can use conditional logic to show or hide certain tasks when a client has a certain attribute value or not. So let's start by looking at our clients, and I'll show you Sterling Cooper. We have a client attribute called service plan, and they're currently on the silver plan. And if I look at a different client, Dunder Mifflin, for that service plan attribute, theirs is set to gold. And so we have a process where one of our steps in the process should only apply to clients who are on the gold package. So how do we handle that? So here is our new client onboarding process template. And I'm going to go down to this step 6. It's called prepare extra items for gold package. So we don't even want to see this task if the client that we're onboarding is on any other package than gold. So what we can do is open it up and go to the automations panel and go to visibility. You want to set a visibility rule based on a client attribute value. Set the client attribute value. So you want to choose which client attribute value. In this case, we're going to do the service plan. And we're going to say that it must contain a certain value. Let's say gold. We'll create that rule. So basically, this task will be hidden by default unless the client that's attached to the current project has their service plan set to gold. So let's try this out. I'm going to go to the boards. I have a new client onboarding board, and this board loads in our new client onboarding process. So let's onboarding Dunder Mifflin. And I'm going to set the client to be Dunder Mifflin. And let's create that. Okay, so as you can see, this step, prepare extra items for gold package, is showing up because Dunder Mifflin does have the service plan set to gold. Now let's try it again. And this time we're going to onboard Sterling Cooper. And we will set the client to Sterling Cooper. Create that. Notice how we don't even see the step in the process for doing anything about gold items, because Sterling Cooper, this client, their service plan is set to silver. That does not contain gold, so that did not satisfy that condition. So that's how you can use conditional logic. And there are, of course, are other criteria, not just client attributes, but project values, other tasks, status, and whatnot. But doing it based on clients is a really great use case for that.